Hpr Plus Cream is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations such as diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. It contains substances that soften and moisturize the skin, decrease itching and flaking, and protect the skin against irritation from wetness. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin, and this cream works by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. It also contains ingredients that draw water into the outer layer of the skin and soften the top layer of skin cells, helping the dead skin cells fall off and leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. Follow the recommended daily dosage and apply the cream at the optimal timing to achieve the best results. Make sure to use Hpr Plus Cream as directed. Some products may need to be primed before use, so be sure to follow all the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Certain products may need to be shaken before use, so check the label to see if this applies to the cream. Apply it to the affected areas of the skin as needed or as directed on the label or by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your skin condition. For instance, if you're treating dry hands, you may need to use the cream every time you wash your hands, applying it throughout the day. If you're using Hpr Plus Cream to help treat diaper rash, make sure to clean the diaper area well before use and allow it to dry before applying the cream. And if you're using it to help treat radiation skin burns, check with radiation personnel to see if your brand can be applied before radiation therapy. It's important to follow the directions on the label for proper use and to apply the cream to the skin only. Avoid sensitive areas such as your eyes, inside your mouth/nose, and the vaginal/groin area, unless directed otherwise. Also, check the label for directions about any areas or types of skin where you should not apply the cream, and consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Use Hpr Plus Cream regularly to get the most benefit from it. Apply the product after bathing or showering while the skin is still damp. If you have very dry skin, your doctor may instruct you to soak the area before using the cream. It's also important to note that long, hot, or frequent bathing/washing can worsen dry skin. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. When using Hpr Plus Cream, you may experience mild side effects such as burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If these effects persist or worsen, it is important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it is because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risk of potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it is important to seek immediate medical attention if you notice any unusual changes in the skin, signs of skin infection, or symptoms of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It is crucial to remember that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it is essential to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Hpr Plus Cream, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have skin cuts, infections, or sores, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before using this cream. Some ingredients in the cream, such as preservatives and fragrance, may make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Be sure to check the label for any warnings and ask your doctor or pharmacist if you need to take any special precautions when out in the sun. Your healthcare provider may advise you to limit your time in the sun, avoid tanning booths and sun lamps, and use sunscreen and protective clothing when outdoors. If you experience sunburn or skin blisters, be sure to contact your doctor. If you are prone to acne breakouts, look for the word non-comedogenic on the label to ensure that the cream will not clog your pores. Additionally, some products may stain or discolor clothing, so it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Before undergoing surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to inform your doctor before using this product. It is also essential to consult with your doctor before using this cream if you are breastfeeding, especially if you are applying it to the breast area. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when using Hpr Plus Cream, as they could affect how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication routine. If this cream is accidentally swallowed, it can be harmful. If the person who swallowed it is experiencing serious symptoms such as passing out or having trouble breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, you can call a poison control center for further instructions. In the US, you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Dry skin can be prevented by using lukewarm water instead of hot water when bathing, taking baths or showers less often, such as every 1 to 2 days, keeping baths or showers short, and using a humidifier when the air is very dry. There are various types of emollient products available, including oils, creams, lotions, or sprays. Some may contain fragrance or other ingredients that may cause sensitivity in some individuals. It's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to determine the best product for your specific needs. If you forget to use Hpr Plus Cream on your regular schedule, use it as soon as you remember. Do not use extra product or apply it more frequently than directed to make up for the missed dose. Be sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. Avoid storing the foam canister near high heat or open flames, as it is under pressure. Do not puncture or burn the canister. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed. Properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.